चेन्नई ज़ू की हिस्ट्री ऐसी कुछ है. Formerly, it was known as the Madras Zoo back in the year 1855, 23rd November. ये जो आइडिया था of collection of all the animals and एक ही जगह इनको maintain करना, it was proposed by Dr. Edward Balfour. He was that time the director of the Government Central Museum at Madras. इन्होंने convince किया था the Nawab of the Carnatic कि वो अपना animal connection donate करें museum के लिए. Mr. Balfour began the zoo on the museum premises और एक साल बाद it had over 300 animals. This included various different significant species. आगे जाके 1861 में the responsibility of managing the Madras Zoo transfer की गई थी to the Madras Corporation and the zoo itself was shifted to the People's Park near Chennai Central Railway Station at Parktown. फिर 1976 में क्योंकि जगह बहुत कम हो गई थी, there was restricted land space for the wildlife and बहुत सारे challenges थे to meet the suitable environment for animal behavior and proper infrastructure. So after a detailed investigation, the Vandalur Forest Reserve was taken into consideration. यहाँ पे बहुत सारा natural abundance था, sprawling 512 hectares. It was the then largest zoological garden in India. 1979 में काम शुरू हुआ. LA land सिर्फ एक scrub jungle थी, यानी कि यहाँ पे कोई trees नहीं थे. There were no trees. Zoo authorities and people from the nearby villages collected these seeds from different trees and afforested the zoo areas. ये सब किया गया था so that the animals have an environment similar to the natural wilderness to meet the biological and physiological needs, ताकि उनको लगे कि यही उनका घर है. 1985 में officially the Vandalur Zoo was inaugurated. The zoo in its new premises was opened to the public on 24th July 1985 by the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, M.G. Ramachandran. Most of the works were completed at this point. आज अलिगनार अन्ना जूलॉजिकल पार्क साउथ ईस्ट एशिया के सबसे बड़े जू में से एक है, extending over an area of 1,490 acres and housing more than 2,300 wild animals belonging to 172 species. हर साल यहाँ पे 20 लाख लोग आते हैं, so there are 2 million footfalls every year. तो हम लोग जब चेन्नई विजिट किए थे इस बार from Bangalore, on the way back to Bangalore, we decided to stop by at this zoo. It is approximately 1 hour from Chennai on the way to Bangalore. तो हम यहाँ around 2 o'clock पहुँचे थे, काफ़ी late. So we got to spend only 2 hours because the zoo timings are 9 to 4. हमने choose किया कि we take the battery operated vehicle and we explore all the different animals rather than just go on the safari for the lion or deer sightings. So even though we take the battery operated vehicle, काफ़ी सारा walking करना पड़ता है. We need to have good stamina and be sure to be well hydrated because Chennai is usually very hot and you'll sweat a lot and get tired soon. So the best attraction which we felt was the white tigers, especially because we could see them up front very closely. And on this particular day, there was one interesting incident that happened. So there were 2 white tigers and one of them was on the hill and the other tiger had ventured down into the little pit which is for safety between where the visitors stand and the tiger enclosure itself. ये टाइगर यहाँ पे आ गया था but उस काफ़ी मुश्किल हो रही थी वापस जाने के लिए, तो वो स्विम कर रहा था, यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहा था. It was trying to figure out how it can make its way back up. And the other tiger was also looking at it and trying to find a way to help its friend. We were fortunate enough to record a rare moment जब वो जो टाइगर नीचे गिरा हुआ था, ऊपर जो टाइगर था उसे देख रहा था eye to eye and they were having a conversation. So we were able to zoom in to its eye and kind of see confused emotions, and it even made a sound. It roared and the other tiger responded. And it was great to see the interaction between these two animals, and it was just one of the most memorable experiences we've had at a zoo. वैसे white tigers, orange जो Royal Bengal tigers होते हैं उनसे अलग और different है नहीं अंदर से. It is only the skin color or their pelt color, which they say is different. Apart from that, internally they're